Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm Danielle, in case you're new to my channel and you don't know my name. For those of you who are not new, welcome back, nice to see ya. I finished this partial the other day, and it is a gift for my mother-in-law for Christmas. I got it from Wish. It's about the same size as this 12 by 12 canvas that I'm going to use to finish it with. The diamonds are round, as you might imagine, because it is a partial. Those are typically round. Now, you're gonna laugh at me, but I cannot find a paintbrush to save my life. It's ridiculous. So, I have triple thick. I'm gonna seal this before I try and mount it because I figure it's just a good idea. Triple thick is a really nice, shiny, thick, triple thick, basically like a sealer glaze. They call it a gloss glaze, and it is. It's really, really nice and shiny. There it is. It's Deco Art, so it's, you know, it's a reasonable brand. I just bought a fresh new little pot. Hey all, it's future me coming at you. I hope that your Christmas went really good. And I thought I would pop on here on the voiceover to let you know that I am just using the plastic stuff that came with a picture frame to spread the triple thick over the diamonds because I couldn't find a brush anywhere. So, if any of you have had success giving away your diamond paintings this Christmas or stitching or anything, I'd love to see it over in the community tab. So go ahead and go to my page and check out the community tab and share your thoughts and comments and things. I'll see you over there. All right, now we let this dry for a while. We'll come back to it later. Okay, so the roses are dry, and I think they're just as sparkly with triple thick on them as they were before. They are in real life. I don't know if they are for you. So this is a 12-inch square artist canvas, and it is, yeah, it's smaller. It's about, this painting is about an inch smaller on all sides. So I'm going to trim it. Now I know some people would be like, oh no, what are you doing? I am going to trim very carefully around the edges here. Trimmed. Ta-da! Now, we'll see just how it looks. Okay. Looks pretty good, actually, with the white border. But I think for some interest, what I might do is put some acrylic paint, maybe, around the edge and do something cute with the edging, and yeah, and then we'll stick the painting on it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so after an extensive search, I cannot find any acrylic paint in this house to save my life. I don't know how that's even possible, but it is. So I thought next best thing would be Henry jumping on the table. No, I thought the next best thing would be to grab something out of the fabric basket. So that's what I did. This is a leftover piece of binding strip that I made for my last quilt that I finished. So that's why it was sitting there on the top. Staple to the back, and then I will use probably some Aleene's on the front, and then I will put some decorative tape over the front so it looks a little bit lacier and kind of more in keeping with the look of the project. So anyway, I've never done this before, so you're witnessing this for the first time. Now typically what you would do is you would, you know, kind of go around, like if you've ever upholstered anything, you know, you just staple here and then here and here, and then you'd work your way in. But I can't do that in this case. So now let's, before I go too far, Sophia, anytime I do anything, they have to be here in my grill. I love you cats, but you can be really silly. Okay, that should work. If not, I will just move this like this, because nobody cares if it's that straight. If there's lots of wiggling, it's not my fault. Blame the fur balls. Well, she's giving me this look like she's all offended. She's like, hey, shut up. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is pretend. Yeah, I'm going to pretend like I'm wrapping a present a little right here. And then, you know, what I might do for security around the corner is I might, here's what I'm doing, is I'm kind of doing that miter, that fold that one does. I don't know if you can really see that, but there it is. So, what I might do is, obviously I'm not going to staple right through it because that's the front and that would be stupid. I'm going to staple right kind of here so that it will be covered later. Yeah. It will be covered later by glue and things. And that way the miter will actually kind of stay where it should. Okay, having said that, thank goodness this isn't a stripe. We'd be in a world of trouble. I'm just going around in a very strange feeling way. At least to me it's weird feeling because one doesn't typically do that. Okay, so here we are again on the corner. So I'm gonna get to all the trimming later. But for the moment, what we're gonna do is kind of sort of go like this. Okay, so we will miter in like this. Right. So I'm gonna have to talk to myself. There we go. So that is stable on the front. Now we can go to the back. And staple the fold. And we're just going to keep going all the way around. Do for the end, so I'm going to staple here along here on the side so you don't see it. There we go. And then I'm going to cut it. Kind of, ooh, I have the shakes. I'm hungry. All right. So we get rid of that. Tuck this in like a mini little teeny tiny fold right there. My finger is covering most of it, but okay, now the working end. Hopeful that we can do this kind of like the way we've been doing. Okay. So we have our staple on the front there that's going to get hidden by the fold. And then I'm gonna pretend fold it like so. And interesting challenge this. How am I gonna do that? See, when you bind a quilt, it's no biggie that you can see it. But we might just have to pretend. And treat this like a quilt. Into the scrap basket. We might have no choice but to pretend that this is a quilt and that this is a binding for it. And you know, at this point in my life, that's not the end of the world. Let's put it that way. Alright, I'm just folding the fabric as best I can. And you know what? To heck with that. I'm just going to staple it on the back. Why am I fussing like that? That's silliness. Silliness, silliness. There. There. Now no one will know the difference. Okay. That was an ordeal. All right. Now I'm going to use some Aleene's. Just kind of hold this part down. God bless Aleene's. There. Ha ha ha. Okay. Now it doesn't look very, you know, proper from the front because it's not even, but that's okay. It's going to get covered. Now. Okay, it's future me again. You thought you'd seen the last of me, but you didn't. Ha 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 ha. So basically all I'm doing right here, to put it simply, is I am just going to glue the bejesus out of the canvas. And yeah, I went there. I said bejesus. And you're going to see me going around with my finger and adding a bunch of glue. And yeah, unfortunately I made this video before I had the time to properly like look at everything and edit everything. So I can't find, I just went and I was looking all over and I couldn't find a finished picture of that diamond painting project. Shame on me, right? Because I gave it to my mother-in-law before I had anything to do with editing this together, obviously. So I don't have a finished picture of it, like when it's all done, but anyway, I just took some lace tape, some scrapbook tape that I got, and it looks like lace, and I stuck it down as like a border, and it was really cute and pretty, and my mother-in-law loved it, so it worked out great. Anyway, I am carrying on and on. So if you want to see this channel grow and thrive, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.